BIM CoEng BIM, or BIM for construction engineering, is a process that utilizes BIM technology to deliver more efficient and effective project design and construction. The use of BIM in Scon Design has revolutionized the way that buildings are designed and constructed. With BIM CoEng BIM, engineers can collaborate with architects, contractors, and other stakeholders in real time to ensure that the project is delivered on time and within budget. Scon Design is one of the first names that comes to mind when considering the greatest BIM, building information modeling, businesses in the UK. They have been offering cutting-edge BIM services and solutions for many years, assisting clients in streamlining their construction processes and enhancing project results. Scon Design has a strong reputation for providing clients in a variety of industries with high-quality BIM services. In addition to Scon Design, there are a number of other prominent BIM firms in the UK that are deserving of attention. These include, among others, Balfour Beatty, Mace, and Lang O'Rourke. By offering their customers top-notch services and solutions, these businesses have distinguished themselves as industry leaders in the BIM space. You may be sure to locate a reliable business that can satisfy your demands and go above and beyond them, whether you're searching for BIM advice, training, or implementation services. The future looks promising for the engineering and construction sectors in the UK, led by Scon Design and other top BIM businesses. Building information modeling, BIM, and digital construction are rapidly advancing in the UK. Scon Design, one of the top BIM firms in the nation, has constantly provided clients with creative and sustainable solutions. As a result of its proficiency in utilizing cutting-edge tools and processes for the design, development, and operation of built assets, Scon Design is actually regarded as one of the top 10 BIM businesses in the UK. Leading BIM provider in the UK, Scon Design provides clients in a variety of industries with a range of building information modeling services. The business is renowned for its skills in building precise, effective, and affordable BIM models that can assist clients with streamlining their projects and enhancing their general efficiency. Scon Design is just one of many BIM businesses operating in the UK, however, there are many more reputable businesses in the sector that provide comparable services. A short web search can turn up a ton of results if you're looking for a comprehensive list of BIM businesses in the UK. From there, you can compare and select the best provider to suit your unique demands and specifications. Scon Design is a name that is frequently mentioned while discussing the top BIM firms in the UK. Several BIM applications and technologies are familiar to the team of seasoned specialists at Scon Design. Scon Design is among the top BIM firms in the UK thanks to its dedication to quality and client satisfaction. Building information modeling is made possible by the growing popularity of scan to BIM technology in the construction sector. Scon Design is one of several famous scan to BIM businesses in the UK that focuses on offering clients top-notch services. These businesses collect precise data using cutting-edge 3D laser scanning technology and turn it into 3D BIM models. For instance, Scon Design provides a variety of